Have you ever lost money in business and felt like giving up? You are not alone. Losses are part of the game. But what separates successful entrepreneurs from failure is how they handle setbacks. Today, I'll show you how to deal with business losses, learn from them, and even come back stronger. You want to stay with me to the very end because the 4th point and the 8th point is very, very important. So you can learn all that you need to get from this very video. So please like this video as we get started. So if you have experienced a loss in the business, the first thing to do is to accept that losses are normal. Every great entrepreneur that you're seeing today, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and so many of them, they have faced failure and financial losses. Tesla almost collapsed multiple times. Amazon lost billions before even turning into profit. The point I'm telling you here is that losses are a normal part of business. They don't define you. It's how you respond that defines you. So you need to have a mindset shift that you are learning, not that you have failed. You are not a failure. You're actually learning. From every loss that you have experienced, learn from it. The second thing to do is to analyze what went wrong without being emotional. So instead of panicking, you need to step back and analyze the situation logically. Ask yourself, was it poor financial management? Did I misjudge demand? Was my marketing ineffective? Did I make bad hiring decisions? These are salient points that you need to consider to actually see what the problem is. You need to break down the problem, identify your weak points, and write down actionable solutions. The third thing you need to do is to cut unnecessary expenses and optimize cash flow. So when you are facing a loss, cash is king. Plus non-essential spending. Don't spend on what you don't need to spend on. Negotiate better deals with suppliers if you have to. Focus on high profit activities first. Then ask yourself, what cost can I cut without damaging my business? This will go a long way to help you. The 4th one is to learn from your mistakes. Adjust, don't quit. Failing once doesn't mean you fail forever or you are forever a failure. Instead of quitting, adapt and improve. For example, if your ad campaign failed, you need to test different marketing strategies. If your product didn't sell, you need to test and see what exactly do your customers want. If cash flow was the issue, you need to improve budgeting and forecasting. Every loss is a lesson if only you use it to make smarter decisions. The 5th one is to stay emotionally strong and avoid panic decisions. Losses can be very, very painful. I've experienced it. I'm talking out of experience. When you react out of fear, it could lead you to a bigger mistake. What can you do? Don't drastically change your business model overnight just because you are at a loss. Don't take on unnecessary debt out of desperation. Don't fire your employees in a panic. Instead, what you need to do is to stay calm, step back, and make rational and strategic decisions. Another thing to do is to seek help and advice from experts. You don't have to figure it out on your own. Talk to experienced entrepreneurs. Hire a business coach or consultant that will show you the way to go. Join mastermind groups or even networking communities. The right advice would help you to recover smarter and even quicker. Another thing you need to do is to innovate and adapt to the market. If your current strategy is not working, change it, switch it up. If you look at restaurants of today, most of them move to delivery and it's working for them. Companies adapted to remote works. It's been working for them. It's even saving them cost of office space and the likes. Retail stores shift to e-commerce and they are thriving. So you have to be flexible, you have to adjust your approach, and you need to find new opportunities. The 8th point here is to protect your mental health and keep a positive mindset. Entrepreneurship is mentally tough. Let stress consume you, you will not make any smart decision. Exercise daily to reduce stress on your part. Another thing to do is to take good breaks so that you can clear your mind. Surround yourself with positive, solution-oriented people. Your business can recover if only you stay mentally strong. Tell me, if you're not strong mentally, then how can you even do the business? My last point for you is to take action and start rebuilding. Now that you know how to handle business losses, it's time to take action. It's time to start working on it. Identify the mistakes, cut unnecessary costs, learn from your failures, seek expert advice, adapt, and keep going. So every successful entrepreneur that you see today has faced losses at one point or the other in their life, but they didn't quit. Neither should you. Have you ever faced a business loss before? Please let me know in the comment section. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a like and share it on to others that will be needing it. And on my end screen, you'll be seeing a video here that will impact you greatly. Please do well to watch it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more awesome content. And until I see you again in my next video, have an amazing day ahead and bye for now.